That, folks, we have entertainment as we normally do. Darrio is here with us and he will do I Can Do It.
Yeah. I can do all things. I can do all things. True God. TVJ, Jamaica. Woke up this morning with a purpose. Motivate and inspire who around us. If you try once and it no work, don't talk about say you feel. There is hope once you on earth. TVJ, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. He's somebody great in a life and make a change, yeah. I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. Overcome the struggles and the pressures them where we face. I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. Study a little harder and start get some higher grades. I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. We're just going through a phase. Sing this. I can, we can, even if we have to work on the weekend. Children, feed them. Truths and rights, we have to teach them. Well, it no make no sense to talk about say you can. If you move me did say so, then you would do there. Daddy work like if we make sure nothing you know want. Half we strong, we find this and struggle, yeah. No matter how we rough and tough, we just cannot give up. Jaja never give a man too much, we know they dirty tough. So we still a push on like a cat man or a market truck and still a wear a smile although we are full up. Hey youth man, no make me hear you say you cannot make it. Your life sweet, it no matter if you're diabetic. You can call pan God and you not have a credit. Just put your hand on your hand and say this, say what? Say I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. Get this promotion and be the head of this company. I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. Get a F, get a bull and get this farm up and running, yeah. I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. One round to go and I'm the superintendent. I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. We just going through a phase. This little youth see mommy start cry. Ask her why, instantly she reply. No food, no there, and the account it dry. Everything fail, everything where she try. Little youth say, him start to take the track thing more serious. Me broke because daddy leave us. The situation get tedious, but him have to make it work like a genius. Well on, make we talk about the girl we walk about. From Tower Street to King Street, go all round our south. Ever have a big spliff in her mouth. Everybody write her off, it obvious what she was all about. But shortly after that, mouth her open at a drop. When she pull up on the block in the beam and drop top. What? She did the interview and got the top spot. God bless the have-not, so sing say, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. Stage 3 cancer, but I will survive it. I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. Wings are clipped, yet still I'm flying. I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. Don't overthink, sometimes it's a mind thing. I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. We're just going through a phase. From you know you want to make it in a life.